Hey guys, T here. As you can see, we're not in the shop, which is where we usually are. Today I'm going to cook a pot roast. We got a chuck roast here, boneless, and we're going to sear that boy and get it nice and brown. We got some root vegetables. We're going to cook those till they're nice and brown on the outside. We're going to add some red wine and some beef broth. We're going to put that boy in the oven for couple hours until it's just wonderful. And we're going to serve it with some mashed potatoes and green beans and some crusty French bread. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe if you will. Hit the bell for notification. Let's get cooking. Lots of salt and pepper. Just a big hunk of meat. Turn up the fire as hot as you can get it. We want this pan smoking. This boy is pretty hot. That's just what we want. We'll put a little olive oil in. That's the sound we want to hear. That's great. Hey, coming up pretty good. Let's keep it in there a little bit longer to give some more brown. I want to sear the edges too. I'm going to put the onions flat side down. I'm going to get as much caramelization as I can and keep them in big chunks. If you chop them up, they're just going to steam and you won't have any good caramelization. It's important not to stir it all around. Hey, that's what we're looking for, that dark color. Some of these want to stay in here a little bit longer. We're going to throw in the 3 garlic cloves, just whole. Let those brown up a little bit. Hey, this is looking great. This is the color that we're looking for. Everything nice and dark. We want a nice brown, dark, rich gravy from this. Be sure to scrape the bottom of the pan to get all those delicious brown bits incorporated into the stock. Let's add the beef stock. Add the basil, add the bay leaves, and add the thyme. let's add all the stock and the vegetables into a food mill and turn that so that we grind up the vegetables. Not too fine though. Good. Nice rustic gravy. It's got a lot of texture in it. Wow, that's just great. Just great stuff. I love this this gravy. It's real rustic. It's got a lot of texture to it, and that's because we put the vegetables through the food mill and added those to the stock. So I encourage you to try this pot roast. I love it. So please subscribe if you will, guys. Hit the bell for notification. Let's get back to eating.